Hello friends! We are glad to welcome you on our channel. And in today's video, I will show you and tell you how you can deactivate your Facebook account. Please, friends, write your comments, be sure to put likes and subscribe to this channel. So let us get started with you. Open the Facebook app on your device. Then in the bottom right corner, tap on the menu section. Next, in the top right corner, go to the gear. Now you will need to go to the Meta Account Center at the top. Next, select Personal Information. Now own and manage the account. Deactivate or delete. Next, you'll need to select your Facebook account. And here you can choose to deactivate or delete the account. Since you only want to deactivate it for a while, then leave the option you have selected. At this step, you will be warned that along with your main Facebook account, all additional accounts and pages that are linked to your main account will also be deactivated. If you are happy with this, click Next. You will then need to enter your Facebook password. With me, as you can see, this with Face ID can be done. After you enter your Facebook password, you only need to select the reason why you would like to deactivate your Facebook account for the time being. Click Continue. And then you'll be taken to a page where you have to confirm that you want to deactivate your account. And it will be inactive for 30 days. And at any time you will be able to log into your Facebook account. You just need to keep your Facebook account password and your email or phone number. Friends, this is how you will be able to deactivate your Facebook account. I hope you found this video helpful and useful. Please put your likes, write comments, and subscribe to this channel. See you soon.